Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the baked eggplant with meat sauce in Heartopia. So first you need to have this recipe, baked eggplant with meat sauce. To get this recipe, you can get it from the NPC chef Massimo. Just buy it from him, and then after you have this recipe, just tap on your stove like this, and then after that just choose the baked eggplant with meat sauce. And then in here you need complete all the ingredients. You need eggplant, and then meat, and then cooking oil, and then tomato sauce. For the eggplant, you can get it from the gardening hobby, and then for the meat and cooking oil, you can buy it from the NPC Massimo. And then for the tomato sauce, you can cook it first. And then in here, because I ran out of the tomato sauce, I will change it with the universal ingredients like this. And then once all the ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking. And then just cook the food. And okay, your baked eggplant with meat sauce is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.